The Swazi Nation continues to show excitement towards the sacred Incwala ceremony, as throngs of people have been attending since the ceremony commenced at Ludzidzini Royal Residence. His Majesty King Mswati III is now at Mphumalanga Royal Residence. Here's a report.
The Incwala ceremony continues to gain momentum since it started 8 days ago. His Majesty King Mswati III danced at Ludzidzini Royal Residence for a few days. The king then proceeded to Ludzidzini Royal Residence, where emakhosikati, princes and princesses, and regiments were in full support. His Majesty the King has now proceeded to Mphumalanga Royal Residence in the Lubombo region. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I am Sandile Makanya with Zwele Masuku.